Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Now I'm gonna share with you my #1 choice for a side dish. It's called Freekeh. Freekeh is a grain of a higher nutrition value than rice. I'm gonna drizzle some canola oil, onion, minced onion. I'm gonna add the garlic. I mix it very well with the garlic and onions. Now that is coated with oil, I'm going to add my stock. I'm going to add it slowly. It has to cover the freekeh, I would say like an inch above the freekeh. Now it's time to flavor, just to add some spices. Just a sprinkle of white pepper, a little bit of salt, not too much. And I always like to add bay leaves. 2 bay leaves would be okay. Now I brought it to a vigorous boil for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna lower the heat. No need to cover it at this point. Just let the liquid evaporate so you will end up with nice fluffy freekeh or wheat durum. My freekeh is ready. I'm gonna garnish it with some fresh parsley. It goes perfectly with the flavor of freekeh and it gives it this hint of freshness. This is an excellent vegan side dish. Enjoy it, try it, leave a comment below, and I will be back with another lovely recipe from the Mediterranean.